Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this section, I explain the dash fundamentals you must master. The dash travels roughly 3-5 meters forward and finishes in 0-35 seconds. You start a dash by pressing D on keyboard or the right trigger on controllers. Each dash consumes one dash charge visible on your HUD as a blue bar. Dash charges automatically recharge after 2-5 seconds when you stop dashing. Use dashes to cross gaps, close distances, and avoid attacks from opponents. Learn timing tricks to extend distance and avoid damage during a dash. Cancel your dash into a 45-degree jump to gain about 1-2 extra meters of travel. To perform the cancel, press jump within 0-12 seconds after starting your dash for reliable results. The dash grants invincibility for 0-22 seconds at the beginning of the animation. Use that window to pass through weak enemy attacks and projectiles safely. Practice the cancel in empty rooms to build muscle memory and precise timing. Combine dash with attacks to control space and pressure opponents effectively. A direct dash impact deals about 25% extra damage compared to a normal hit. Sprint immediately before dashing to perform a sprint dash combo and cover up to 12 meters while keeping momentum for follow-up combos. When you dash into cover, know that entering cover pauses your dash recharge timer for a short period. Wait at least 1 second after hiding before attempting another aggressive dash. Use this strategy to bait attacks and punish predictable enemy recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.